How's it, everyone? It is Monday, April 14th. You know what that means? We have got your forecast outlook coming at you, ready to go. So let's get into it. Live look out there right now on Folly. Winds 9 to 15 miles an hour out of the southwest, pretty side shore. Doesn't look like too much to target for waves today. So sorry if you were planning on surfing today, but maybe the next couple of days. Water temperature is up to 68 degrees, thankfully, so we are in that solid spring suit season. Thankfully, guys, I think we've made it out of the full suits for the year. Let's get into the forecast for the week. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we've got a cold front approaching the region that's going to put a little shot of some short period wind swell in the water that's very steeply angled, so south-southwest swell. There's a chance the latter half of the day tomorrow that winds go from that southwest direction to more of a northwest direction and could clean things up, especially on that tide push at the end of the day tomorrow. So Tuesday, keep an eye out. Maybe a cleanup Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night on the tide push. Wednesday morning, if any of that short period wind swell decides to stick around overnight into Wednesday, looks like it's going to be super clean all day on Wednesday. So if there are some waves still hanging around, conditions should be good on Wednesday. So another day to keep an eye on there. Getting into the latter half of the week, Thursday and Friday, doesn't look like there's going to be too much swell to target, guys. Sitting there around a foot at 9 seconds of swell with onshore winds. So again, basically flat there. Getting into the weekend, we may have another cold front approaching, and that's kind of the story of the season, guys. We get in the spring these warm fronts, cold fronts, warm fronts, cold fronts, the flip-flop, and that's where we kind of get these little short spurts of swell. The model's not exactly picking up on it right now for the weekend, but the guys at Surfline have an eye out. You should too. So look, Saturday and Sunday, local winds look like they could potentially cooperate and be favorable. So keep an eye out for the weekend. Hopefully everybody got some waves last week. Looked super fun. If not, again, look out for Tuesday, Wednesday this week, and then potentially the weekend. Everyone have a great week. You.